CSM continuously invests in innovation, always attentive to production and technological processes, development of new products, and qualification of its employees. It stands out in the manufacturing of machinery, equipment, and systems for civil construction and material handling. Consolidated as a reputable company for large projects, it keeps a world-class quality level. Having over 40 years of experience in the civil construction market, CSM has a rich portfolio offering advantages, transparency, versatility, and performance. We operate in divisions strategically located in the north of Santa Catarina state, an important innovation hub in Brazil, considered to be the leader in technology. We have large machines and high technology, working with excellence to deliver the best result in the distribution and export of our products. We offer equipment for concrete mixing, material handling, soil preparation, surface finishing, and combustion equipment, such as generators and engines. CSM stands out nationally in the production of concrete mixers, a prominent product of the company, being elected several times the best in Brazil with the Best Product of the Year and the most outstanding and remembered brand in the category. It has more than 400 authorized service centers throughout Brazil, providing quick and convenient maintenance for the equipment and machines. More than 15,000 customers, more than 1 million concrete mixers delivered along all these years in over 29 countries. We were present in major civil works, such as the construction of soccer stadiums, bridges and highways, the construction of the Brazilian nuclear submarine, among others. We have our own laboratory to perform quality analyses, where the machines undergo various strength and resistance tests to improve the products. With a strict quality policy, our company performs a complete inspection on the machines, which meets all the requirements of the Brazilian market, adding its own seal, which proves the quality of the products delivered. We have an authorized service center network with national coverage, together with a highly trained technical team, which guarantees the quality of our after-sales service and provides the best and most advanced solutions in machines and equipment in a continuous and sustainable manner. CSM actively contributes to the personal growth of its employees and to society, as well as to the economic and social growth of the country, generating jobs, developing and training professionals, thus contributing positively to the general well-being of the population. It is oriented toward the solid and sustainable growth of its business and undertakes commercial and social commitments, believing in Brazil, in its people, and in the full development of its economic and human potentialities. When it comes to civil construction, we stand out on the market. CSM, Construction Machinery and Equipment.